Thomas, what's your name? Your whole name.
Thomas Robert Dutton.
How old are you?
7 years old.
Shawnee, what's your name?
20.
Take your nookie out. Tell me, how old are you? 3. What's your name? Your whole name.
Practice. My whole name is
Sean Edward Dutton.
Tell me.
Chukineka.
What's in your hair?
Soap.
Who put that in there?
I did it myself.
Paul, what's your whole name? Get back up.
Paul Michael Dutton.
Bye. He's also mine.
Okay, Paul, what's your whole name?
Paul Michael Dutton. Bye.
How old are you?
6.
Yeah.
Paul.
What?
Thomas! What's your favorite thing to do? Sit down.
Draw. Trains.
What do you like? You like to draw trains?
Yeah.
What else do you like?
Train track. And one more thing.
What?
One more thing.
Sit
Ow. I like that dress up. One more thing. One more
What?
thing.
What?
You hate my brother. No.
Thomas. Oh, tell me, Paul. What's the favorite thing?
To dress up, and one more thing.
If Paul, if you could do anything in the world, what would you choose to do?
Drive a train.
By yourself?
Yeah.
In the front or in the caboose?
What did I say? What do I say? In the caboose. Oh.
Okay, Thomas.
No, one more.
What?
Yeah. Let's see. What was it? Let's see. That was it.
Okay, you think about it. I'm gonna move.
No, I know.
What?
Wait. Very quick.
How about like go in the space shuttle?
Yeah, you got it. You got it.
Like being out.
You got it. You got it.
Okay, Thomas. Thomas, what's your favorite thing to do? That you do now?
I do now?
Well, you know, not
Collect
happy.
baseball cards.
Collect baseball cards? What about play baseball?
Shot. Let me think. What's my favorite thing to do?
Like play soccer
Um,
or do karate. Hey, you guys, I can't see Sean.
Now can you see him? Okay. I can see
Sean.
myself.
Okay, Thomas can. Shawnee.
Play baseball.
Your favorite thing to do is play baseball?
What else? Ask me.
What's the thing you'd like to do most that you've never done?
Be a professional baseball player. What about driving a Ranger? Do you want to do that?
To do what, Paul?
Drive a Blue Angel.
Oh. Yeah, would you like to drive a Blue Angel airplane?
I could free, yeah.
Shawnee, what's your favorite thing that you like to do?
Baseball to pistol.
Do what?
Baseball to baseball.
To play baseball?
Baseball to baseball.
Can you take your nookie out? What is that thing? Aren't you going to give your nookies to the little babies?
Let's go.
Oh, tomorrow maybe? Hey, Thomas, I'm talking to Sean. What about your blanket?
Nope.
You're going to keep that? You like it? All right.
Bye.
Sean, can you say ABCs?